Good morning students and welcome back. So in the last class we have learned about addition and subtraction of more than 2, 3 or 4 numbers. So today we learn about some interesting facts about addition. First is if you add any 2, 3 or 4 numbers in any order, the answer will be same. Say for example, I have done 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. And if you add 5 plus 3, it will also be equal to 8. It means that if you change the order of the numbers, the answer will be same. Say 3 example. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 12. Now we shift, we interchange the numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 5, 12. 5 plus 3 plus 4, 12. So it means that if you change the numbers, change the order of the numbers. Okay? That the first number goes at the third place, third number goes to the second place, it hardly matters. आपका आंसर हमेशा इक्वल आएगा आप उनको अगर किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करेंगे. सेकंड इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है if 0 is added or subtracted, the number remains the same. It means अगर आप किसी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं या किसी भी नंबर से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, आंसर वो नंबर खुद होता है. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 plus 0 will be 7. Take another 10 minus 0 will be 10. So there is no change in the number. The answer is the number itself. Third is the reversal. If you subtract the number from itself, the answer is 0. It means itself means खुद से. अगर आप कोई नंबर को खुद से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, say for example 7 minus 7 is 0. 1000 minus 1000 is 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. यानी कि अगर हम उस नंबर को खुद से माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. Okay, so these were the 3 interesting facts. Now if you are asked to add 21 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30, okay, so you can do 2 ways. Either you can add them like this, so 8 9 10 1 carry, 2 to 4 1 5 3 8 3 11, okay, or what you can do, see, first of all add the last digit. 1 plus 8 9 plus 1 10 plus 0 10. So what is carry? 1. 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 3 10 and 1 11. Okay, this is known as horizontal way. Let us do one more. 28 plus 1 plus 11 plus 3. Now 2 digit 1 digit 2 digit 1 digit. 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. Here it is 0. Nothing will be added. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So answer is 43. Okay. So in the same way you will do the exercises. Exercise number 8. Question number 1 in the book. Question number 2 in the book. Question number 3 in the book. Question number 4 and 5 in the book. 6 will be done in a fair notebook. Now it is given in words. First of all you have to write them into the figure and then add the numbers. Also you will do this question number 7 in the fair notebook. So add 15, 51, 20 and 13. So write all 4 numbers in a column wise and add them. Okay. Okay, one thing more. As it is given in exercise number 7, you have word problems. So let us quickly do the word problems. 1 or 2 I will tell. Rest, please try to do it by yourself. First is Basudev is 35 years old. Basudev is 35 years old, right? Basuki is 4 years older than Basudeva. Older का मतलब होता है बड़ा. ठीक है, तो बासुकी 4 इयर्स बड़ी है वासुदेवा से. व्हाट इज बासुकी एज? सिंपल, 35 वासुदेवा की एज और प्लस 4 तो इक्वल्स टू 5 + 4 9, 39. बासुकी की एज कितनी हो गई? 39. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अ सिनेमा हैज सीट्स फॉर 848%. इट मींस एक सिनेमा हॉल है, उसमें इतनी सीट्स हैं. एक फिल्म के लिए, फॉर अ फिल्म शो 637 पर्सन बाई द टिकट. 637 लोगों ने टिकट खरीदी. हाउ मेनी सीट्स रिमेन वैकेंट? वैकेंट मतलब खाली. तो अब देखो कितनी सीट्स थी? 848 और कितने लोगों ने खरीदी? 637. तो खाली कितनी हो गई? वी विल सबट्रैक्ट. 8 - 7 1, 4 - 3 1, 8 - 6 211 seats are vacant. Third, a number is 24 more than 41. What is the number? एक नंबर 41 से 24 बड़ा है, 41 से 24 ज्यादा है. What is the number? Simple. Only add 41 plus 24 and write down the answer. Question number 4. A class has 2 sections. Okay? A class has 2 sections. In one section there are 123 boys. यानी एक सेक्शन में 123 boys हैं. ठीक है? और and in the second section there are 12 more boys in the first. Second section में first section से 12 boys ज़्यादा हैं. So how many boys are there in second section? तो first section में 12 add कर दीजिए. Answer will be 135. Okay? Question number 5. What number must be added to 25 to get 87? It means 25 में हम कितना ऐड करें कि हमको आंसर 87 आए. इसमें हम प्लस नहीं करेंगे, इसमें हम करेंगे 87 minus 25, 62. If you will add 62 plus 25, 87 will come. ठीक है? Come to the 6th one. How much must be subtracted from 57 to get 16? 57 में से कितना सब्सट्रैक्ट करें कि हमको आंसर 16 मिले? So simple, 57 minus 16. 7 minus 6, 1. So it means we subtract 41 from 57. अगर हम 57 में से 41 माइनस करेंगे तो हमें 16 मिल जाएगा. Now coming to the 7th one. Coming to the 7th one. 7th question is a man's age. Now this is very good. A man's age is equal to the total ages of his 2 sons and 1 daughter. एक आदमी है, उसकी एज कितनी है? उसके दोनों लड़कों यानी both sons और 1 daughter की एज के इक्वल है. Son are 15 and 14 years old. तो sons age are 15 and 14 and daughter is 10 years old. What is the age of the father or how? तो उसमें लिखा है ना, क्योंकि फादर की एज इन तीनों के इक्वल थी तो ऐड कर दिया. तो कितना आ गया? 5 + 4 9, 1 2 3 39. Coming to the 8th one. Raki has 32 books. राखी के पास कितनी बुक्स हैं? 32. Asghar has 25 more books than Raki. ठीक है? 25 more books than Raki. तो असगर के पास कितनी बुक्स हुई? 32 plus 25 equals to 57. ठीक है? अब देखो, Suresh has 12 more books than Asghar. So 57 plus 12. How many books does Suresh have? Suresh has 69 books. So please do this exercise also in fair notebook. And if you have any problem, call me. No need to write the questions. Okay? Only write number 1. and answers. Okay, thank you.